Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can get invisible username on Discord. So if you're going to open up your Discord and click on a username, as you can see, you will find my username or profile name. So if I'm going to make it invisible, go to user settings, and then from here, you want to go and select on the display name and click on edit button. Now, if you let this box blank name, as you can see, and if you're going to save these changes, then it will automatically shows up your username. So in this case, I'm going to use some symbols to basically hide my username using a tilde or different symbol here. You can try different symbol as long as you want to hide your username. So in this case, I'm going to use a tilde. You'll find this at the bottom of the escape button on your keyboard. And then from here, if you're going to use this one, you can just save. And if you're going to click on your profile, you'll find your username and it will hide. And if you're going to send a message, your username will be hidden. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.